Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, hey. This is the cash stuffing for the second paycheck of April. We're gonna hop right into it. We have a total of $465 that we're stuffing today. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Okay y'all, so I'm recording early in the morning. Your girl has not had her allergy medicine, so excuse me, I'm a little stuffy. I wake up and I'm just like, can I breathe? That's kind of where I am right now. But I'm trying to get this stuff done, and I need to get it done in the morning. So we're gonna hop right into it. We're stuffing our Moterm planner. I'm so excited. I spent a little bit of money. I ordered some new binders. I ordered some new envelopes. So as soon as those envelopes get here, which I don't know when they're gonna get here, it might take like a couple weeks or so. So it might not be anything that you see until like June. So I'm just excited. I just wanted to let you know. I did buy some new envelopes. We're going with some new themes. And I'm going to be making new envelopes too. So I don't know what exactly you'll see, but just know, once again, I'm changing some stuff up. So gas is going to be getting $75. If you can see here, I also ordered a cash holder, a cash tray, whatever you want to call it, because I'm tired of having it on the table. So $50, $70, $75. This has been my new budget, $75 to $80, and pretty much every week that's what I've been putting in there. So toll is getting $10, but I think the last time I stole the toll money and used for gas because I wasn't going anywhere. I don't think I'm going anywhere. We'll see. I don't know. Food is getting $35 because I need money to eat at work. I have been making my lunch, but your girl also bought stuff as well. So I did my whole meal prep last week, but then I bought food also while I was there. And I'm like, this is defeating the point. So $20, $30, $35 is going into food, which is what I'll bring for work. I need to get like good like tea recipes or something so I can make my own tea, because buying coffee at work is like $5 to $6 and it's crazy, and I don't even really like drink coffee like that. So date night is getting $25, which it's actually only gonna get, oh no, I didn't do that. Oh well, it's gonna get $25. I used some of my ones for a tip, and that was for my dollar savings challenge, so I was gonna give that back to myself, but I forgot to ask the lady for one, so never mind. Shopping's gonna get $15. I do need to go to Michael's today. I have a couple projects that I'm working on. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my baby milestone discs that I just made. Very exciting. I do custom orders. Basically, if someone reaches out to me and asks me to make something for them, usually it's like family or friends, but with like YouTube, obviously anyone can reach out and ask me about making stuff. I do have an Etsy, but I don't really use that. I'd rather just do it through Instagram. And yeah, because especially a lot of people are leaving Etsy because whatever is going on with like their the cost increase, like they're just charging the seller fees and stuff, they're just charging too much. So I kind of fell off Etsy. I don't post my stuff on there anymore. I kind of just post it on my Instagram, which is down below in the description box. It's a separate Instagram from my main Instagram. So if you are interested, check that out. Fun Money is going to be getting, I always do that. I always open up the wrong one. Fun Money does it even have anything in there? It has $10, and it's going to be getting $15. So we have a total of $10, $15, $20, $25. Self-Care has $25 in it. It's getting $50, $50, $70, $75. That's what we have. I'm trying to save up a little bit more because me and hubby finally planned a little trip. and I want to get my legs waxed. I'm like, I am over it. I like waxes, so I want to see how it is to get my legs waxed. And maybe I'll never have to shave my legs again. Eventually I would like to get like laser hair removal, but who has time for that right now? Emergency fund has $330. It's going to be getting $10. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 310, 315, 320, 325, 330, 335, 340. And y'all, I have regular nail polish on. Crazy. Who would have thought I'd sit and paint my nails? Car maintenance has $145. It's getting $5, so we should have $150. 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. So tired, y'all. Medical dental has $85. It's getting $5, so we should have $90. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. 95, I meant. We should have 95. It had 90. Alright. Birthdays and gifts is getting $15. We have 10 in here now. So we should have a total of 25. 10, 20, 25. So pretty much I've been stuffing each envelope with kind of like the same. I did up my little budget a little bit this time because I'm like gas. I had to up it. So, excuse me. Hubby has, oh, this is wrong. No, it's not. Hubby has 20. He's getting 5, so he'll have 25. I need to plan something for him. We'll see. Can't tell you because he edits the videos, so I'll let you know after what I plan, if I plan something soon anyway. Vacation has 25. It's getting 10. I'm trying to beef this up because I'm gonna bring this money when we go away. We still have weeks to go, but planning in advance. Graduation, oh my gosh, because I wish I could graduate already. Grad school is getting $65. So we are done. I just need to deposit this and pay the last payment, and we are done paying for summer 2022. And then I'm taking a break because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of school right now. I just want to have my summer to relax and enjoy. Textbooks has 15. It's not getting anything because this will probably be enough to rent the book that I need for my next class. And that is it. I tell you guys, I rent these books and I don't even use them. I use them maybe once, and it's just like, thank God I know not to buy books for school because you don't use them. And like in my master's degree, they kind of give us like articles and give us stuff to read, so we barely use the book. Like I use the book just to get information to cite because everything is like you have to cite everything. Christmas has 70. We're getting 10. Does anyone else have like terrible allergies? Because mine are the worst. I love summer, I love spring, but I'm a winter girl because one, my birthday is in winter. I hate the cold, but like at least your girl can breathe. Like I don't go outside and I can't breathe. I'm struggling. Every morning I wake up and I can't breathe. And we got a humidifier, and that helps so much. So if you have allergies and you wake up stuffy, get a humidifier. Because so far that's been working like magic. But we didn't turn it on last night. So guess what? I can't breathe. Anyway, y'all are probably like, girl, be quiet. Christmas is getting $10. It should have, I believe 70, 80, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. $80, and our goal is 500. 500. Simplykay has absolutely nothing in here. We're getting $5. I actually just spent money getting some stuff to make the baby milestone discs that I just made, and I'm making some things for graduation for people. So now that I use the money, see how I used the money before for myself, now I have things coming in and I'm like, ugh, I should have kept a hold of that money, but it's okay. P.O. Box is not getting anything. It has $25 in there. When God Blesses Me is for me to bless you, has $40, and it's getting 5. And we're gonna have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And I have a $5 left over because I did a lot to put $5 into textbooks, but I'm not doing that because I know I'm not going to spend that much money on my textbook, hopefully. But for now, we'll put it in there. So it'll have $20. So I'm like, okay, whatever. 10, 15, 20. But I'm not putting any more than 20 in there because most of the books have been like, if anything, like less than $20. So then we have our dollar savings challenge. I did go ahead and make this new one because I wanted it to be big, and it looks so good actually in the video. So we have, did I put it in there? I don't know. Like, where did I put my dollars? We have $1, $2, $3, $4 that's going to be going into this challenge. So these are probably something I will put on Etsy because it's not like it's that big of a deal. It's not something super duper expensive. So I will put these on Etsy if anyone's interested. Comment down below if you would be interested in snagging one of these. I had on my last one dollar savings challenge, but so that I can just use this all the time, I'm going to just put savings, and I can use it for my dollar savings challenge. If I switch it up and wanted to use the $5 savings challenge, it's just, this is my savings challenge little envelope. So we have $27 and we should have 31 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31. Because we still have that $2 bill in there. So I don't know. I might use this money to go towards my trip too. Who knows? If I get it to like $50, maybe I'll use it. Then we have my summer savings challenge, which I'm thinking of using towards my vacation because it's pretty much summer. We have $510 in here, and we're going to be putting another $100 towards this. So we should have $610. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 520, 540, 550, 560, 565, 570, 575, 580, 585, 590, 595, 600, 605, 610. I'm like, that is amazing. So that savings challenge, like, I like this one because you just never know what you're going to end up with. And I'm going to probably use this for my trip, so I don't have to even worry about the money coming out of my check or anything. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. If you have been following me on Instagram, you've seen that I also made a payment to Sally Mae. So I had a total of 4 loans with Sally Mae, and the one we paid off already, which is the one you guys saw. If you haven't seen it, I have a debt update video where I showed you guys that I paid that one off. And then my co-signer had a little bit of a balance left on that loan. That was like $3,000 something. And we went ahead and paid that off this week. And now I have 2 Sally Mae loans left. So maybe about $32,000 after interest. So just stay tuned for those plans because I'm excited. I'm like, a fire has been lit and I'm just like, I'm getting rid of this debt and it's very exciting. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. Not this check, but next check. Stay tuned, you guys. Just stay tuned because it's gonna be something that you haven't seen before on my channel. So I think that is it. That's all that I have for you guys for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.